Hi, Akron After School kiddos. So we are walking the neighborhood with Miss Myers. So in this one, you can tell we're going to learn a lot about ducks. So after watching the video on the second slide, you're going to come down here to the third slide. You're going to hit these words. You're going to hit the link. It's going to load like this. So if you are still unsure of what to do or how to do it, go ahead and click here to listen. There will be a little link right here that you can watch a video of me doing this. So you're going to go to here. You're going to press Insert Image. You're going to go to Camera. You're going to put your picture in front of the camera. How mine's highlighted. You're going to press Insert. Make it a little bit bigger. Put a text box there. And then write your name. It's going to look just like that. If there are no more slides available, hit the plus button and another slide will come down. Go ahead and keep it on there, and then we will help pick one of the best ones to hopefully maybe put up on the slideshow at the end of the week. So that is how you do this. I hope you have a lot of fun of creating your favorite park picture. You can include yourself in the picture if needed. I just did not want to. So have fun, guys.